What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't done this in a while, at least since we probably raced the Civic was probably the last video. Obviously, we had some issues. Nice incline up into my shop. It's a little slick, but I got to go out and do some testing and see if these injectors are going to play nice with us. They have been an absolute pain to work with as far as getting them scaled correctly on this E38 ECU. Just a lot of the hard limits of just making it a little bit, not really impossible, not very easy. So we're going to get in the car, we're going to load up a tune, go for a drive. So as you can see, we're on full SD. We've got closed loop off, all the long-term fuel trims reset, going for a drive. Hell yeah. So I know I haven't done any videos, but I did get the speedometer working, but it'll shut off after like 40, so I'm trying to figure out the calculation for that. So if I can get the calculation right, it should stay on, but we'll see. It'll probably turn off here in a second, so let's let you guys watch. I think it's just figuring out the sizing and revolution and stuff like that. See if it turns off. Oh, there it goes. Trying to figure it out, but it's just not wanting to work for me. But I've still got it on the computer, so at least in the logging, I've still got my mile an hour off the wheel speed sensors. So just trying to figure out the boost in this thing and see if it's all right. Just testing these injectors out. I'm on like no timing and like 6 pounds of boost. Do like a little third gear roll and see what it does. Just log and knock over here, so I gotta watch that at the same time. Make sure our fueling's right. Injectors are like, I just did a pull and it was fine, but look at that. Oh, he's coming too. Here we go. How you doing, sir?
How you doing, man? Well, I'm starting to speed. I'm not going to give you a ticket because I know you're going to blow my doors off and I'll never come.
No, so I just wanted to explain to you. So I just got the car going on new injectors.
You ran tune on it.
And I was just kind of like bumping into throttle.
I used to have a boosted card, so I know how it is.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I just need to write your license down. I'll get you out of here, all right?
Okay, man. I appreciate it.
I used to run Hondas back in the day.
Oh, that's awesome. I think I ran into you before, but I'm not sure.
I had a GSR swap Civic hatch. Had upwards of like 500 wheel horsepower in it, but
yeah,
that's before I did this job.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Well, it's a cool dude, actually. So we'll see what happens.
What size injectors are you running?
They're 2200s. I went from 1300s to 2200s, so. Yeah, I was just doing tip in and it was like going lean and I tried to like stuff it for a second just to see if it would go rich and then you were sitting right there. I was like, damn it.
It's not a big deal, man. All right, just watch your speed, man. Have a better day.
I will.
Right?
Thank you. Oh, man. Just got to be respectful, y'all. He could have wrote me up. I don't know how fast we were going, but like I said, I was just being honest with him. solid, but the injectors, I don't know. It might be fuel pressure. Really not sure. It's even lean right now, so which makes me think the fuel pressure is down. So either a clogged filter or one of my pumps is failing. Not sure, but we'll get it figured out. I'm gonna head back to the house before I get in trouble. Just wanted to give you guys a little video. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Short and sweet. I got to get after the fuel filter in this car, see if it's clogged up. I haven't changed it one time since I built the car, so might be interesting to see that. I'll probably put that in the next video. Well, I will put that in the next video. But as you can see, I got home just in time. It's already snowing. Dude, the Northwest, I hate this. I wish I could go out and create content for you guys all the time and spend making it really hard to tune these injectors. Probably just have to put the car on a dyno, and we won't risk getting pulled over anymore, obviously, and they can just get on there and get some decent tuning, maybe put down some numbers, but obviously load's a little bit different on the street. But thank you guys for watching. Look what we got out of that. Cop was super cool, but y'all stay safe. I just wanted to get on here and make a video for y'all, and obviously it went a different way. But we'll get these dialed in. I'll be working with DSP. We might step back down to like a 1400 injector or something like that. I think I could make that work. I still think I could go bottom nines with that, probably at least. But yeah, it's snowing, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Hell yeah. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sticking around. Peace out, y'all.